Next topic, that is 14.9 damp oscillation. So, what is a damp oscillation? So, just focus here. The oscillation take place in presence of any resistive force, then such oscillation is known as damp oscillation. What is a damp oscillation? So, you can say oscillation take place in presence of any resistive force, then such oscillation is known as or is called damp oscillation, right? The oscillation take place in presence of any resistive force, then such oscillations is called damp oscillation. See friends, for example, suppose यहाँ पर हम consider करते हैं ये ओके और यहाँ पर from this rigid support we suspend a spring. Okay. At the end of the spring there is a block, and here we can say it is a pointer. Okay. And here we place the whole system in this fluid or container, right? ये कुछ डिश जैसा ऐसा कुछ भी आप कंसिडर कर सकते हो, एंड हियर इट इज़ अ फिल विथ अ फ्लूइड और वाटर. ओके, तो ये ऑसिलेशन टेक प्लेस इन वाटर. सो हियर वाटर ऑफर्स सम रेजिस्टेंस, सो सच ऑसिलेशन इज नॉन एज डैम्प ऑसिलेशन, राइट. सपोज एयर में ऑसिलेशन होता है तो एयर ऑफर सम रेजिस्टेंस, पानी में होता है तो पानी ऑफर सम रेजिस्टेंस, देन सच ऑसिलेशंस आर नॉन एज डैम्प ऑसिलेशन. और डैम्पिंग की वजह से जो ऑसिलेशन है वो धीरे 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 कम होते जाएंगे, राइट. सो हियर दिस फोर्स, डैम्पिंग फोर्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वी, बट इट इज अपोजिट टू वी. बराबर, उससे स्पीड क्या होगी, उससे स्पीड है वो कम होती जाएगी, राइट. सो एफ डी is equal to minus BV. So B is known as damping coefficient. What is the B? B is known as damping coefficient, right. So here FD is equal to minus BV. It is a damp force, or you can say resistive force. Damp, it is a damp force. Okay, B is a damping coefficient. So B is equal to क्या होगा, F upon V. Okay, you can say it is FD upon V. What is the unit of force? That is the Newton. Velocity meter per second. So it is the unit of B. Okay, so it is known as damp oscillation. The next one, that is a dimensional formula, differential equation for damp oscillation. Next one, that is differential equation for damp oscillation. Okay, now just see here, according to Newton's second law, what you can say, F is equal to ma, that is equal to, you can say, m into d square x by dt square. You can say it is equation number 1. And here you can say for damp oscillation, for damp oscillation, f is equal to minus kx. What is the f is equal to minus kx? You can say it is a restoring force. It is what? Restoring force, and f is equal to minus Bv. What is it? It is damp force, right? You can combinedly say it is equation number 2. Okay, that means you can say 1 is equal to 2. So, m into d square x by dt square, that is equal to minus kx minus Bv. Okay. Therefore, m into d square x by dt square, that is equal to minus kx minus b. What is the v? v is equal to dx by dt. Okay, अब नेगेटिव अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आएगा, then it will be plus. So you can say that m into d square x by dt square plus b into dx by dt plus kx, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now what? Divide the equation by m also, you can say that. So here you can say d square x by dt square plus b upon m into dx by dt plus k upon m into x, that is equal to 0. Okay friends, so it is nothing but it is a differential equation of damp oscillation. What is it? A differential equation. It is nothing but it is differential equation of damp oscillation. What is it? Differential equation for damp oscillation. Okay. Now its solution. Okay. So अब ये जो भी है, it is accept without proof. ये खाली आपको याद रखना है, right? So its solution of this equation. So you can say xt is equal to ae raised to minus bt upon 2m cos omega dash t plus phi. Okay, where a is the amplitude and here amplitude at any time, that is equal to ae raised to minus bt upon 2m, and omega dash, that is the root of k upon m minus b square upon 4m square. Okay. So you have to accept it without proof. Okay. So it is a damp oscillation, and mechanical energy of damp oscillation, mechanical energy is given by Et, that is equal to half Ka square. So what is the A raised to minus Bt upon 2m? So you can say that At is equal to Ka square e raised to minus Bt upon 2m, right? So here it is a damp oscillation. So how this damp oscillation decrease, that will see. तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से ये जो डैम्प ऑसिलेशन है वो डिक्रीज होते जाएंगे. That decrease exponentially. Okay. By this way, the damp oscillation is decreased. Okay. So here you can say that damp oscillation decrease exponentially. Okay, their amplitude that is a AE raised to minus BT upon 2m, right friends. So, damp oscillation, it is one of the very important topic.